Throw away the city lights, throw away the cars. Give me a clear night.
What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today we are going to talk about Cuktech 15 Ultra power bank and two other Cuktech GaN chargers, a 100-watt GaN charger and a 65-watt GaN charger. Well, before we start the review of this Cuktech 15 Ultra power bank, one request. If you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Also, I'm planning to give away a power bank to one of my lucky subscribers. So if you're interested, check the community page of this channel.
The water is calling, the night is young. So if I lay down, will you come?
The Cuktech 15 Ultra is a powerhouse packed into a sleek, portable design. It supports lightning-fast charging, and you know what? When the Cuktech 15 Ultra is fully drained, we can recharge it for 10 minutes using its dual-port extreme self-charging, and then it will be able to almost fully recharge an iPhone 14 Pro Max. Well, with a 20,000 mAh capacity, it supports dual-port extreme self-charging at 165 watt, and that means it gets fully recharged within 45 minutes. When it comes to output, the Cuktech 15 Ultra provides an impressive 210 watt total power, intelligently distributing energy across devices. With all three ports in use, the power bank delivers Type-C 1 at 100 watt, Type-C 2 at 45 watt, and USB-A at 33 watt, ensuring multiple devices get charged efficiently at once. And if you have Xiaomi devices, then it goes even higher. Type-C 1 at 120 watt, Type-C 2 at 65 watt, and the USB-A at 33 watt. For single port use, Type-C 1 delivers up to 140 watt, also supporting 120 watt output for Xiaomi phones. Type-C 2 offers up to 65 watt with support for 90 watt max output for Xiaomi phones, and USB-A maxes out at 33 watt. Whether charging a MacBook Pro, an iPhone, or a Xiaomi smartphone, this power bank ensures optimal efficiency with various fast charging protocols such as UFCS, PD 3.1, and QC.
Underneath all the stars.
In terms of real-world performance, in just 30 minutes, the Cuktech 15 Ultra can charge an iPhone 16 Pro Max up to 60% and a Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra up to 62%. And you know what? A Xiaomi phone with 120 watt hypercharge can be fully charged in only 19 minutes. The MacBook Pro M3 Pro can reach 53% battery in half an hour, making it a reliable companion for professionals and travelers alike. Moreover, the vibrant 1.3-inch TFT display provides real-time data on power status, charging speeds, and device compatibility. It even includes customizable settings and an always-on display mode for convenience. Safety features such as voltage, temperature, and overcharge protection actually makes it one of the best power bank available on the market, because we can use this Cuktech 15 Ultra without being worried about our devices and gadgets. And when it comes to warranty, they always offers longer warranty period, and as I'm an existing user of Cuktech products, Cuktech definitely has one of the best customer support team.
The sunset is fading, but the light's not gone. The ocean waves have just begun. The water.
The Cuktech 10 GaN charger is a compact yet powerful solution for charging needs. With a stylish spliced material design and a textured grip, it's both functional and attractive. Despite being 27.2% smaller than other brands' 100-watt chargers, it delivers exceptional performance. Equipped with a USB-A and two USB-C ports, it allows charging up to 3 devices at once. Each USB-C port can deliver up to 100 watt, with Xiaomi devices reaching up to 120 watt. Thanks to GaN technology, the charger remains efficient and cool, offering stable high-speed charging for a wide range of devices from smartphones to laptops.
The ocean waves have just begun. The water is calling, the night is young.
Okay, if you don't need 100-watt charging speed, if you want something more portable, then you should check this Cuktech 65-watt GaN charger. This 65-watt USB-C charger is a compact powerhouse, delivering up to 65 watt of charging speed to laptops, smartphones, and tablets. It can charge an iPhone 16 Pro Max up to 56% in just 30 minutes. With a triple port output like its bigger brother, yeah, it also comes with a USB-A and two USB-C ports. It allows charging multiple devices simultaneously, distributing power efficiently. Despite its power, it remains portable and travel friendly with a foldable design that makes it easy to carry. Well, that's all about this Cuktech 15 Ultra power bank. Yeah, it's a 20,000 mAh power bank, yet very light, and compared to other 20,000 mAh power banks, this one is the smallest, the lightest, and yeah, definitely one of the best. And when we bring price into consideration, Cuktech 15 Ultra is not one of the best. It actually offers the best value for money. Okay, I've left all the links in the description box. Go ahead, check the products. But before that, if you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.
Waves have just begun. The water is